Hey, so today I want to work on YMCA with you. There's 5 chords, and the first chord is G. There it is. And then E minor. Cool. And then C. Nice. D. And then D7. Cool. We're going to use the swung strum, which is the down, down, up, up, down, up. So if we want to play together on G, go 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, down, up, down, up. Yeah. So in the verse, you see there's a colon at the end, which means repeat. So we're going to do the verse twice before we get into the chorus, which is the big, it's fun to stay at the Y, right? So let's start with the verse, and we'll start on the G. Wonderful place to start. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, B minor, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, C, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, D, C, D, C, G, D, X, X. So it means like pause, pause, back to the beginning of the verse. 2, 3, 4. G, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, E minor, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, C, down, 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 up, down, up, D, C, D, C, G, D. And then you see before the chorus, there's kind of that D, X, X, X leading into the G. So it kind of means you hit that D once, you can go, it's fun to stay at the... Now we're going to go into the G because that's where the emphasis is. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, up, down, down, down. At the E minor, down, up, down, 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 up. A minor. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. D7, down, up, down, down. Fun to stay at the G, down, up, down, down, down. Fun to stay at the E minor, down, up, down, 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 up. And they got A minor, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, D7, down, up, down, down. And now go back to the verse. Going back to the verse. 1, 2, 3, 4. G, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, E minor, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, C, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, D, C, D, C, G, D. Pause, pause. Back to the beginning of the verse. 2, 3, 4. G, down, up, down, 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 up. I said E minor, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, C, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, D, C, D, C, G, D. Now back to the chorus. Hit that. It's fun to stay at the G, down, up, down, 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 up. At the E minor, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, A minor, down, 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 up. Go to D7, down, 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 up, down, back to G, down, 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 up. At the E minor, down, 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 up. And then A minor, down, 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 up. And then D7, down, 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 up, down, up. Let's try it one more time with the verse. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. I said G, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, E minor, down, 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 up, down, up, C, down, 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 up, down, up, D, C, D, C, G, D. And we'll repeat the verse and I'll sing the words with it, give you more of an idea of the context. 1, 2, 3, 4. Young man, there's a place you can go. I said, young man, when you're short on your dough, you can stay there and I am sure you will find many ways to have a good time. Now let's go into the verse. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. Now A minor. Of everything for young men to enjoy. D7. Hang out with all the boys. To the G. Fun to stay at the YMCA. Yeah, now we're going to E minor. The YMCA. They have everything for young men to enjoy. You can D7 hang out with all the boys. And then you end on G. Nice. Yeah, well, I hope this helps, and I hope you have an awesome day. Peace out.